Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly, while others constantly struggle? The answer could lie in their habits. Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is not just a book. It's a moral and practical compass that guides you toward a life of greater purpose, productivity, and satisfaction. Prepare to transform your way of thinking and acting, discovering the universal principles that will lead you to personal and professional effectiveness. Habit 1. Be proactive. This is the foundation. It means taking responsibility for your own life. Instead of reacting to circumstances, you choose how to respond. Your life is the product of your decisions, not your conditions. Covey emphasizes that we have the freedom to choose our response to any stimulus, freeing ourselves from genetic, psychological, or environmental determinism. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Before starting any project or activity, visualize the desired outcome. This applies to a meeting, a project, or even your entire life. By defining your values and priorities, you create a framework for decision-making and ensure your actions are aligned with your most important goals. It involves creating a mental creation before creating a physical one. Habit 3. Establish first things first. This habit is about time management and prioritization. Once you know what's important, you must execute it. It focuses on the time management matrix, where you prioritize important and non-urgent tasks. This allows you to focus on activities that truly build your future, rather than constantly putting out fires. Part 2. The Public Victory Asterisk. Habit 4. Think win. Win. This paradigm seeks solutions or agreements that benefit all parties involved. It is a mindset of abundance, not scarcity, where the success of one does not mean the defeat of another. It involves developing empathy and considering the interests of others, fostering collaboration and building lasting relationships. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication begins with empathetic listening. Before expressing your point of view, it is crucial to genuinely understand the other person's perspective. This not only builds trust, but also allows you to better identify needs and concerns, facilitating win-win solutions. Habit 6. Synergize. Synergy is the result of valuing differences and working as a team to create something greater than the sum of its individual parts. It is the process where 1 + 1 = 3. By combining strengths and compensating for weaknesses, you can achieve innovative and superior results that would not be possible individually. Part 3. Renewal and Balance. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. This is the habit of personal renewal and self-care. It means maintaining and improving the most important asset you have, yourself. It involves regularly renewing yourself in the 4 dimensions of your being: physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual. It's the habit that makes the other 6 possible, as it gives you the energy and ability to apply them. In conclusion, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People challenges you to look beyond quick fixes and embrace a path of profound inner change. By adopting these universal principles, you will not only improve your productivity and relationships, but you will also discover a sense of purpose and peace. It's a transformative journey that empowers you to take control of your destiny. Don't wait any longer to start forging the extraordinary life you deserve. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more knowledge.